Hi, I'm Brian, and today we'll be discussing the ACCA F5 March June 2017 past year exam paper, and we're looking at question 32 in section C, and we'll be doing requirement B, which is using all the information provided, including the People's Bank's vision and values. Very important to highlight that. Discuss, which is a high-level verb. You need to see the information which is given to you in the text and talk about it relating to your experience. The performance of the People's Bank, and we're supposed to use 4 headings of the balance scorecard. Now, in an earlier video, we have already talked about the financial perspective. So this video is going to focus on this heading, which is the customer perspective. Okay, so first thing that we need to look at for the customer perspective, there are 4 performance measures which are given. Let's talk about the first one. The number of first-time home buyers given a mortgage. Their target was 80,000 and the actual was 86,000. So first thing you need to do, state the obvious. What is obvious? It is obvious that the People's Bank has exceeded its target. Now this could be due to lending policies or just a drive to lend to suitable customers, and you can mention that this successfully achieves objective number 3, which is over here, making a difference in the community, primarily help the new and disadvantaged homeowners over here. So by exceeding your target, you are helping new homeowners. Okay, now the next one that we are going to talk about is the number of complaints per customer, which in this case, again, we state the obvious. They have exceeded their target. They target 2 complaints per 1,000 customers, but now it is 1.5 complaints per 1,000 customers. So that is an improvement. Now the reason why this might have happened could be because they have made improvements in the following areas. First one is IT security. They've actually reduced the amount of fraud, as you can see over here, incidences of fraud. So if you have less fraud, people complain less. Next one is accessibility investments, which are over here. So these are linked to the number of complaints. More accessibility, less complaints. You also have simplified business processes, which are over here. This may have, we don't know, but it may have improved the efficiency in serving customers. Maybe opening bank accounts is a little faster, maybe phone service is better, something like that. Okay, and so that is for the number of complaints, and it has improved, which is a good thing. Next, we're going to take these two together because they seem to be investments in disabled groups of demographics. So the next item, again, we're going to state the obvious. The number of talking cash points and wheelchair ramps. The People's Bank has exceeded its targets in both areas. That means they spend money and they have actually built more than they targeted. And this, we're linking it back to the beginning. This has successfully achieved objective number 1, which is invested to make services more to disabled and visually impaired customers over here. See, the bank values are stated as this is something that is very important to them. So since they have achieved that, overall, the performance of the customer perspective of the People's Bank based on their values, which are here, they have done quite well. They have exceeded their targets in all their key performance measures. So this might lead to long-run goodwill and reputation, and since they might be the only bank that's doing this, might increase their commercial viability. So disabled people and first-time homeowners, they will come to this bank to do their business. Alright, we'll be talking about the other perspectives in future videos, so and you might see them on your screen. So thank you very much.